Ah, today we are rebuilding. We are rebuilding the understanding that there is a might that is lacking, that is a deficit, that is a part of who we are as uniquely called parts of the body. Today we are rebuilding scripture, John 6:63, that speaks to our words and our spirit. What we speak, we actually proclaim into existence. As a man thinks, I will shoot him. So it is so. And I'd like to speak to the carnal understanding. First, starting with myself. I've been tasked to speak to rebuilding esteem, rebuilding the understanding of who we are as individuals, rebuilding lions. But we're going to be moving forward, and we're going to be offering, beginning just a few inspirational words as notations to free the people. God has not given us a spirit of fear, but we are sound-minded, and we are strong, and we are courageous, and we are mighty. And I remember a time when that wasn't being taught to me. I remember a time when the understanding was all you may be is a minus, all you may be is a not, all you may be is a broken, all you may be is nothing. It took the opportunity to live through some things. You see, I prayed and I prayed and I prayed and I didn't know what I was praying for, because I prayed and I said, Lord, well, I think I want riches, and that was my truth in the beginning. And then I grew a little. And I said, no, Lord, I want wisdom. But with wisdom came experience. And so now I speak to you from my experience. And what I have noted is that the reflection that I see in the mirror should not be the one that directs any part of my life, but rather that the part of God, the part of the body, the part of creation, that lives and is a core that is the whole of who I am, should be the might of where we speak from, how we move, how we go to and from. There's been a heavy virus that's been offered as a download. It's been dressed up to look good and sound good and smell good and taste good, and I too myself was a partaker of that. But I need to speak to you about the fruit, about the wholeness of the part of the body that is you and is unique just as much as I am. As I stand before you, I can tell you a couple of weeks ago in California, we had a freak snowstorm. I'd begun to do outreach. In this, my car hit a puddle and hit the safety wall, went up as high as the exit sign, rolled, came back down, and I got up out of it, and we were able to pray. The blessing is 2 days later, we were actually able to do the outreach. Still whole, still healthy, still able, 1 + 1, still making 2. God, still the love of my life. And here we are today. Still obedient. I consider God to be my best connection. I consider even more so that you are God's best connection. The idea that you and I have been taught that we have the right to speak to any part of that which is the body and speak to it and say that it is a deficit, that it is a negative, that it is a minus, that it is a not so, that it is broken, it's a lie. It's always been a lie. It will always be a lie. It is a negative. I don't care who gets mad, who doesn't understand. But it is clear that if I can see Joseph, Jennifer, or Michael, then there yet is a part of the body. There yet is a part of the God that called forth before you and I and our mothers knew who we were. That same God called to exist. So powerful, so mighty, so blessed, so favored, so anointed, so loved by our God. That salvation, the only child, the blood of the Lamb was given on our behalf. But the wonder, oh my God, is that we would be made to believe that we could possibly be a deficit and have that type of power live and resonate and be viral in us. It is impossible. It is impossible. We do not even have the right to go before our reflection and speak to that which is negative over that part of God that lives, and it's in each and every one of us. Do not be as Moses and hit that rock. If you cannot offer the love of Christ, if you can go to the mirror and you can see the power and the might that lives in you, what a blessing. If you can't, let me say first to you, look to your left and look to your right. Tell me who is to your left and who is to your right and who is your drink made of. Where does your cup come from? Who is flowing into? Because God has always been good enough.